This is a hammer drill, proper one, and you need to know how to put the drill bit in. Basically, you hold it carefully and pull down the collar around here.
Where's the collar?
On here.
Where? Let it go again. Okay, yep.
Pull that down. You insert this in and twist it round.
What are you twisting? Hands in the way.
So you twist the drill bit and make sure it goes in, and that should stay in. So then you hold the button and it goes like that. So then to change it, because you'll almost certainly need to change it depending on the size you want it, pull it out, holding it down. You put another one in, whatever side it was. It often clicks and then it's in.
Did you pull down things then?
So you pull this down.
Yeah. Put it in.
Put it in.
What's the twist bit?
You twist it around just to make sure it fits in.
Okay.
Because there are grooves.
I see. When does it go click then?
When it's in the right place.
Okay, and then you let go of the thing then.
And then it... Okay. And if you need to do another one a bit bigger, take it out by pulling it down.
Pulling it down?
Pull this down, collar.
Oh, I see. You have to pull down the collar.
And it fits in. You just pull it out like that, it doesn't come out. Okay. But if you want to remove it, pull the collar down. Okay. Pull the collar down, put it in.
This is a funny video, darling.
Okay, there you go. Fantastic. So I'll leave it with a small drill on. And Bob's your uncle, off you go. Have fun. It is pretty powerful. So just go gently.